Do you have funds on Binance, but you want to transfer them to BNB Chain? Or, do you have funds on Binance and you want to stake them in ApeSwap to earn juicy APYs? Hi, I'm Tim, and today you will learn how to transfer funds from Binance to BNB Chain. In this tutorial, we will use MetaMask wallet. If you haven't set it up yet, please check this video to learn how to do it, link in description. So, to transfer them, you need to open the Binance app. Once you open it, make sure you are on Binance normal user interface. To make this, click the top left icon and check that Binance Lite is turned off. Then, click the top left arrow, and go to Wallets, and then Withdraw. Now, select the token you want to withdraw. Remember that to run the transactions on BNB Chain you need some BNB. So, in this case we will send some BNB. Select Send via Crypto Network, and on the address box paste the address of your BNB Chain wallet. If you don't know how to copy the wallet address, access the MetaMask app and click the address box below your account name. On Network, select BNB Smart Chain, BEP20, and then write the amount you want to transfer. Click Withdraw. Confirm. Complete the verification checks, and then Submit. After you submit the transfer, you can check the status of the transaction by clicking here and going to Withdrawals. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see a tag saying Completed. You will now have the tokens in your BNB Chain wallet, ready to use them in ApeSwap. To learn how to use ApeSwap and buy bananas, you can check this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.